I can remember struggling with those cheap cutters and strippers. What a difference. I do a lot of my own home repairs and just wired the upstairs area in my shop. This tool is worth its weight in gold. If you have ever used a pair of $4.99 strippers, you know what a pain it can be. I'm getting pretty old and my hands aren't as strong as they used to be. What a tool. Such a great tool that I should have purchased a very long time ago. I'm not a professional electrician or anything, but I do wiring around my house and help out friends. Electrical, low voltage, Cat 5e, 6, etc. These things have saved me a ton of time in fighting with wire, getting it striped and so on. The only con on these that I've found so far is the tension. I've found that it's best to turn the tension as tight as I can get it for most wires, if they're solid. For any stranded wires, I loosened the tension a bit.